Hi ladies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a wig with no frontal and with synthetic hair. I will begin by mapping the wig cap so that it's easy for me to sew. I'm using chalk, but you can use anything else that you have for writing. I will be leaving a gap of 2 fingers between each line, as you see there. I'll be using Noble Gold hair. It's a classy deep in color 4. So let's begin to sew. I will be using T-pins to help me hold the hair while I sew. So the first time I'll be sewing directly onto the weft at the beginning of every line, just like that, such that the hair stays strong on the wig cap, and I'll make an extra knot just to make sure that it stays strong. And then the rest of the sewing, I'll pass the needle around the weft. So basically that's the idea of how I'll be sewing all the way up to the front. Once I get to the front, I will use glue to finish up the front part. Again, at the end of the weft, you pass your needle through the weft itself, make an extra knot to keep the hair secure. Now, we've come to the front. I'm going to be using warm glue to attach the remaining hair to come up with the front part. And I'll go on cutting the excess hair as I go. I will repeat that process until I close up that gap. So that's the finished wig. At this point, you can style it with the middle part or the side part, but that's how the wig came out. I hope you learned something new or a new skill on how to make a wig. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this video. Those who are new, please consider subscribing to the channel. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. I will see you in our next video. Cheers.